How to turn off page you manage new shares on page posts notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage new shares on page post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click this three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and you just go down and click pages you manage and then select your page and go down. You will find page interactions, and here go down and you will find new shares on page post. Just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.